Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make fettuccine alfredo my way because I put a little twist in it by replacing part of the heavy cream with coconut cream, not coconut milk, coconut cream, the really creamy one. So good guys, that coconut flavor elevates the entire dish to another level. It is amazing. So guys, if you want to learn how to make fettuccine alfredo my way, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, do not forget to like this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now and share this video with your friends and your family, okay? I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. So the first thing you'll need will be your fettuccine pasta. You'll need some raw shrimp or chicken if you choose. Then you'll need your minced garlic and minced onions, some jalapeno for some heat, shredded parmesan cheese, heavy cream, about a cup of that, and about a cup of coconut cream. Coconut cream, not coconut milk. You'll need some parsley, some nutmeg for some extra flavor, and butter. So now I'm going to go ahead and cook my pasta according to package instructions. Make sure you follow your package instructions for your pasta. So I'm cooking it until it's al dente. And while my pasta is cooking, I'm moving over to the second burner and I'm going to start cooking my shrimp. So I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's perfectly cooked but not overcooked. Okay guys, you want to be careful not to overcook your shrimp. So while that is going, I'm going to season with some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper, and I'm going to keep turning the shrimp because I don't want it to get burnt and I don't want it to get too much color. Color is good but not too much, okay, because then it's burnt. So when I have about a minute left in the cook time for my shrimp, I'm going to add my onions and my garlic, and I'm going to cook everything together until my onions and my garlic are no longer raw. I need to cook out that raw flavor and everything is nice and fragrant. Once that is done, I'm going to clear it all out of my pan and move on with making my sauce. So using my butter, I'm going to melt it down and use it to deglaze my pan. So I'm using the very same pan, guys. Everything you see at the bottom of that pan is flavor. Okay, so don't try to use a different pan or try to wash your pan. No, use the same pan. That is Flavor Town, guys. So now I'm adding my coconut cream and my heavy cream. Guys, I said coconut cream, okay? It is different. And be careful when you get coconut milk or coconut cream from the store. Read the label, guys. Make sure you don't buy the one that has guar gum. That stuff is nasty, okay? And it doesn't cook really good. So now I'm gonna keep scraping the bottom of my pan to make sure I get all that flavor unstuck from the bottom of the pan, and I'm gonna let my sauce simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it's gonna begin to thicken as it goes. So now I've added my jalapeno in there. This jalapeno is optional, but I love me some heat. So I've added my parmesan cheese and my nutmeg into the sauce, and I'm gonna keep stirring to make sure that cheese melts down properly and everything is well mixed together. At some point I'm gonna season with some salt to taste to make sure that my sauce tastes as good as I want. So that's me adding the salt. So just salt goes in there, and now my parsley is going in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp. Now my shrimp is already cooked, like you know, so I'm adding it right now because my sauce is pretty much done. You don't want to add your shrimp too early in the process because then you're gonna end up with overcooked shrimp. So I'm gonna keep stirring to make sure the sauce, you know, really comes together. And now I'm adding my pasta back in the pot. Guys, it is done. I'm telling you, this was literally done in about 30 minutes. It cooks so fast, but you're gonna end up with something really delicious. And that coconut cream really elevates the flavor of the dish to a whole new level. Guys, if you have never tried making fettuccine alfredo with coconut cream, then you really need to try it. It is Flavor Town, guys. It tastes so good. And that shrimp, oh my god, it is a taste of the islands. Try it, guys. Anyway, there you go, guys. That is my version of fettuccine alfredo. It tastes so good. So now I'm gonna garnish it with some extra parmesan cheese and some parsley because you know I like to have my food look pretty. And now it's time for my favorite part of the show, when I get to taste it. Guys, I'm telling you, my kitchen smells so good, and this stuff, it tastes so good. It is amazing. You definitely need to try this one. So that's it, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, now will be the time to do it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and support a sister, okay? And head on over to Instagram and follow me at cfit_at_home, okay? I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. I love you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.